Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss classification of soils in India for class 12th. According to ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, soils are divided into 8 categories and they are alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, mountainous and forest soils, arid or desert soils, saline and alkaline soils, peaty and marshy soils. These are the 8 types of soils which are found in India. Now I explain one by one. Number first is alluvial soils. Alluvial soils covers 24% of land surface in India. 24% of land surface in India and is found in Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plains, found in Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plains. Coastal plains and river valleys. Alluvial soils are found in Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plains, coastal plains and river valleys. Coastal plain, the land near a shore, and a river valley, an extensive area of land drained or irrigated by a river system. These soils are also found in foothill regions in penalty. Foothill regions. Foothill regions in penalty. Foothill region means a hilly region at the base of a mountain range. Alluvial soils are alluvial soils consists of sand, loam and clay. Alluvial soil consists of sand, loam, molding sand, and clay in different proportions. Alluvial soils are of two types. One is called as khadar and second is called as bangar. Khadar soil is new alluvium deposited by floods annually. Khadar soil, new alluvium soil deposited by floods annually, which enriches the soil by deposition of fine silt, and bangar soil or older alluvium deposited away from flood plains and consists of pebbles and calcium carbonates. Bangar soil or older alluvium deposited away from floodplains and consists of pebbles, a small usually rounded stone, and calcium carbonates. Hence, Khadar soil is fertile soil than the Bangar soil. The color of alluvial soil can be grey, light brown, or yellowish. Color of alluvial soil can be grey, light brown, or yellowish. Alluvial soil is rich in chemicals like potash, rich in chemicals like potash, phosphoric acid, lime, and carbon compounds. But deficient in humus and nitrogen. Alluvial soil are rich in chemicals like potash, phosphoric acid, lime, and carbon compounds, but deficient in humus and nitrogen. Alluvial soils are suitable for the growing of crops like suitable for growing of crops like maize, wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, oil seeds, vegetables, and fruits. Suitable for growing of crops like maize, wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, oil seeds, vegetables, and fruits. Number second is black soil. The local name of black soil in Maharashtra is Rugar soil. It is also called cotton soil. Suitable for the growing of cotton. Black soil are formed due to weathering and erosion of volcanic lava. Black soils are formed due to weathering. Weathering means breakdown of rocks and erosion of volcanic lava means mainly found in Deccan lava plateau, that is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and some parts of Karnataka. These soils are black, dark black in color, dark black in color due to the presence of titaniferous magnetite, titaniferous magnetite, a compound of iron and aluminum, compound of iron and aluminum. Black soils are generally clay deep and impermeable. Clay deep and impermeable. Impermeable means impenetrable. They swell and become sticky when wet and shrinks when dried. So during the dry season, these soils develop wide cracks. Black soils have high moisture retaining capacity. Black soils have high moisture retaining capacity for a long period of time. Black soils have high moisture retaining capacity for a long period of time, which helps the crops, especially rain-fed ones, to sustain even during the dry season. Black soils are suitable for the growing of crops like suitable for the growing of crops like cotton, tobacco, millets, jowar, oilseeds, etc. These soils are deficient in or poor in humus, nitrogen, and phosphoric acid, but rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, aluminum, now number third is red soils. Red soil is generally developed on disintegration of crystalline and metamorphic rocks in the area of heavy rainfall. Disintegration. Disintegration of crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Disintegration means the breaking down of something into small particles or into its constituent elements. Crystalline composed of crystals and metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rock is a type of a rock which has been changed by extreme heat and pressure. These soils are red due to the presence of iron oxide. These soils are red due to the presence of excessive presence of iron oxide. Red soils are porous and coarse grained. Red soils are porous and coarse grained. Coarse means loose or rough in texture, inferior quality. These soils show heavy low moisture retaining capacity. Heavy low moisture retaining capacity. So it is a relatively less fertile soil. Less fertile soil and needs heavy and frequent irrigation for agriculture. In low-lying areas, it is clay, and in higher land areas, it is unconsolidated. Unconsolidated Unconsolidated means loosely arranged or not stratified. In low-lying areas, it is suitable for the growing of crops like rice, vegetables, and ragi. And in higher areas, it is suitable for the growing of crops like potato, groundnuts, and bajra. These soils are rich in iron, magnesium, and ammonium compounds, rich in iron, magnesium, and aluminum compounds, rich in iron, magnesium, and aluminum compounds, but poor in lime, humus, nitrogen, and phosphoric acid. Poor in lime, nitrogen, phosphoric acid, so red soils are rich in iron, magnesium, and aluminum compounds, but poor in lime, nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and humus. These are the three types of soils which we discussed today. Inshallah, next class we will discuss the remaining types of soils. Thank you.